I shake hands with the engine, I'm there first at 5. It's dark in the yard as I build the fire. Surrounded by ghosts of railwaymen gone, she groans and she clicks as she gets warm. Suit black and steaming, near 70 ton, damned unpredictable, moody and thrawn. I'll wait in the gloam until she comes alive, drinking strong beer, watch the pressure gauge rise. Firecracker, come with me. Firecracker, come with me. First time I saw when I was on my way to work, it was hissing like a beast. I thought my heart would stop. I'm back in Grandad's workshop, oil on my dress, watching traction engines rising out the mess. My grandfather's with me in the smell of oil and steam. I watched him stand there with me and I heard him say to me, riding on that footplate, that's where you belong. An open part of me I'd shut off when I was young. Firecracker, come with me. Firecracker, ride with me. Firecracker, come with me. Firecracker, ride with me. I took the first 14 and 15 over settling Carlisle, a demon throwing coal like it was going out of style. I pushed myself to breaking point, I knew I could do better. Rode Appleby to Hellafield in proper train wreck weather. I'm lucky to be shoveling, I'm lucky to be alive. The care system to cancer, that and more I've survived. Without a picture in my pocket,